question we have is question number 6. So in the question number 6, fill in the blanks with greater than, less than, equal to, right? So how will we know whether this number is greater or this one is greater? Simply we will have to take LCM. So let us do, right? Minus 1 by 2 dash minus 3 by 6. What is LCM of 2 and 6? LCM of 2 and 6 is 6. So here we will have to multiply with the 3. So this will become minus 3 upon 6 minus 3 upon 6. What? Are they both equal, right? So answer is they are equal. So blank will be equal to sign. B, 5 by 2 and 3 by 2. Here already we have denominators same. So we can simply compare, right? So 5 by 2 will be greater than 3 by 2. Simple. Denominators are same. So numerators can be compared. C, 8 upon 9, 8 upon 7. Here we don't have denominators same. So here we'll have to take LCM of the denominator. What will be LCM of the denominator? 63. So 9 has to be multiplied with the 7. Same multiplication in the numerator. 7, it need to be multiplied with the 9. Same in the numerator. So this will be 56 upon 63 dash 72 upon 63. Now which one is greater? By default this is greater. So what answer will be? 8 by 9 is less than 8 by 7, right? Then next D. In D again 2 by 5 and 1 by 3, right? We'll have to take LCM. If denominators are not same, compulsory will take LCM and then compare. So LCM of 5 and 3 will be 15 multiplied with the 3, and this side will be multiplied with the 5. So 6 upon 15, 5 upon 15. Now 6 upon 15 is greater, right? So the answer will be 2 by 5 is greater than 1 by 3. Then the E. In E, minus 3 by 5, right? I have said earlier that if you see minus sign in the denominator, it can be shifted to the numerator. So I will shift minus sign in the numerator, right? Now LCM of the denominator 5 and 3, again 15. This side has to be multiplied with the 3 and this side has to be multiplied with the 5. So minus 9 upon 15 and right side will become minus 10 upon 15. Now tell which one is greater or which one is smaller. So as I said, in the case of the negative numbers, right? So in case of the negative numbers, which comes first? If you draw the number line, minus 10, then minus 9, then minus 8 and so on. So which one is on the left hand side? Minus 10 is on the left hand side of the 9. So minus 10 is smaller. Once again, to justify which one is greater in case of the negative numbers, draw a number line. Whichever number is on the left, so 9 and 10, which is on the left? 10 is on the left, so 10 is smaller. So 10 is smaller, so ultimately we say minus 9 by 15 is greater than minus 10 by 15. What will be the answer? Minus 3 by 5 is greater than minus 2 by 3. Minus sign was in the denominator in the question, right? So we'll put in the denominator. E, question number E. Then arrange from great to small. So question number 7, it's A, great to small, that is descending order, right, from big to small. So again the method is you will have to take LCM because ultimately you will compare the numbers. So what will be the LCM of 2, 8 and 5? 40 it will be. So this one 20, this one will be multiplied with the 5 and this one with the 8. Same number has to be multiplied in the numerator also. So the steps will be minus 60 upon 40, this will be 5 upon 40, this will be 24 upon 40, right? They have asked us to greater to small, so which is the greatest number? This one, 24 upon 40, correct? this is greater, then second number will be 5 by 40 and the third number will be minus 60 by 40. So what will be the answer? 20 by 40. 25 by 40 is equivalent to 3 by 5, greater than 5 by 40, it is equivalent to 1 by 8, then minus 3 by 2. This is the answer. Then the B part of the seventh, right? So again, minus 1 by 2, as I have said earlier, if you see negative sign in the denominator, it can be shifted to the numerator. So minus 2 by 3, then 3 by 2, then 4 by 6. This number can be reduced to 2 by 3, right? So what will be the LCM of 2 and 3? It is 6. So this has to be multiplied with the 3, here is to be multiplied with the 2, 3 and 2. Same number has to be multiplied in the numerator. So minus 4 by 6, 9 by 9 by 6, and here it will be, if you multiply this one with the 2, so it will be 4 by 6, right? Now you can easily arrange which is the greatest number, 9 by 6, then 4 by 6, right? And in case of the negative numbers, so minus 4 by 6 and then the smallest, it will be minus 3 by 6 and then the smallest will be minus 4 by 6. I hope this negative numbers does not confuse you. I'll draw number line and show you once again. So if you draw the number line, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So out of these two numbers, which one is on the left? Minus 4 is on the left, right? So this is smaller, and that is the reason why I have taken minus 4 by 6 as the smallest number. Now replace it with the original numbers. 9 by 6 is nothing but 3 by 2. 4 by 6, it is nothing but 2 by 3. Then minus 3 by 6, it resembles minus 1 by 2. And the last one, minus 4 by 6, it is equivalent to minus 2 by 3. This is the answer. Then next question 8, arrange in descending order. What do we mean by descending order? Descending order means again it is greater to small, right? So what, again we'll take the LCM of all the numbers. So as I said, if you see negative sign in the denominator, it can be shifted to the numerator. So this will minus 2 by 3, 8 by 1, 1 by 2, 4, 5, 3 and 2. What will be the LCM? So let us find out. 2, 2 2s are 4, 5, 3 and 1. Now all these are prime numbers, so let it be as it is. Just multiply. 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 32s are 60. So LCM is 60. So use here, what will you multiply with the 4 to get 60? 15. What will you multiply with the 5 to get 60? 12. With 3 what you will multiply? 20. With 1, 60. With 2 what you will multiply? 30, right? Same numbers has to be multiplied in the numerator also. Next step, 15 5s are 75 upon 60, 12 into 3, 36 upon 60, 20 into 2, minus 40 upon 60, 60 into 8, 480 upon 60, 30 into, yes, 30 into, this is minus 1, no it is not minus 1, so 30 into 1, 30 by 60, correct? Now you can easily compare descending order. The smallest descending order means from big to small. So which is the largest number? This one, 48, 480 by 60. Then second number, 36 by 60. Then 30 by 60. Then minus 40, this will come 40 by 60. If you compare these two, right, minus 40 will be on the, no, minus 75 will be on the left hand side. So minus 75 and then minus 40 upon 60. Correct or wrong? let us draw number line. So minus 75 will come and then minus 40 will come. So minus 75 will be smaller, right? So first minus 40 will come and the smallest number will be minus 75, right? So replace them with the original numbers. This number, its original number is 8 by 1. So write 8 by 1. Then 36 by 60, its original number is 3 by 5. Then 30 by 60, original number is 1 by 2. Then minus 40 by 60, the original number is minus 2 by 3, and the last one remaining is minus 5 by 4. So this is the correct answer for this question. Similarly, you can solve B also, right? So as I said, minus sign has to be shifted to the numerator. So 5 by 3, 12 by 5, minus 9 by 11, 2 by 3, correct? LCM if we take, what will be the LCM? LCM will be 5 into 11 into 3. So 15 into 11. 165 is the LCM, right? So what will you multiply with the 3? So you can just look out from the LCM itself what to multiply with the 3. So to make 165 here, we will multiply with the 55. What will you multiply with the 5? 11 into 3, 33. What will you multiply with 11 to make it 165? So leave 11, remaining numbers are 5 and 3. So 15 will be multiplied. And what will you multiply with the 3? Here same, so 55, right? Same numbers has to be multiplied in the numerator. So let us multiply 55 into 5. We should do rough work. 275 upon 165. Then 12 into 33. 396 upon 165. 15 into 9. 135. So minus 135 upon 165. Correct? And then this one 55 into 2. 110 upon 165. Now compare what we are supposed to do. Descending order. Descending means big to small. So which is the biggest number? 396 upon 165. Then second number will be 275 upon 165. Then 110 upon 165. Then minus 135 upon 165. Right? Replace them with their original numbers. This one is 12 upon 5. This one is 5 upon 3. This one is 2 upon 3 and minus 9 by 11. Minus 9 was actually, minus sign was in the denominator, so we'll write in the original form. This is the answer. Then the last challenge question. So the last one we have is a challenge question. What does this challenge question says? It says that x upon y is less than 1. How will you solve? So now see, use here x upon y is less than 1. Less than 1 means we can assume. What we can assume? We can assume x upon y as 2 by 3, right? Because this is less than y. You can also assume any other number. Let's say x upon y is let's say 4 upon 5. This is also smaller than 1, so you can take this also. So you assume any number which is less than 1, right? Any number which is less than 1. I'll take this one. Smaller numbers, it is easy to work with them. That is why I have taken 2 by 3. If you take 4 by 5, calculations will become little bit complicated. Again, if you take let's say 14 by 15, these calculations will be more complicated, right? So any number you can assume. Now let us replace x upon y with 2 by 3, right? This means x is 2 and y is 3. So let us start. What is the first option? X upon 2y. This can be written as x upon y is what? 2 by 3. So 2 by 3 into 2, that will be 2 by 6. Correct? Then what is the B option? X upon y square, right? So it will be 2 upon 3, value of y is 3, so 3 square, correct. This will be 2 upon 9, right. Then C, y upon x, what will be y upon x? Reverse, so this will be 3 by 2, and then what will be the D? X minus y. So what is the value of x? 2, and what is the value of y? 3. So now simplify, this is 2 by 6, this 2 by 9, this is 3 by 2, and this is minus 1. Now take LCM. What is the LCM of 6, 9, 2? Let us find out. So 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, so LCM is 18. 6 has to be multiplied with the 3, 9 is to be multiplied with the 2, 2 has to be multiplied with the 9, nothing is here, so you can take 1, right. Now 6, 3 2s are 6 upon 18, 2 2s are 4 upon 18, 27 upon 18 minus 18 upon 18. Now find out which is greater. This one is greater, right? Yes, 27 upon 18 is greater. So you can write down, hence this is the C option. C means y by x, so hence y by x is greater, right? See you with the next exercise. Please like, comment, share the video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.